Welcome to Affirmation Nation. Take a deep breath, relax, and allow these positive affirmations to uplift and inspire you. Remember, the words you speak to yourself are powerful. So let's fill your mind with thoughts that encourage growth and self-love. Let's begin some positive affirmations. I am prosperous and attract wealth and abundance. I am the master of my fate and the captain of my destiny. Every challenge I face is an opportunity for growth. I am confident in my abilities and skills. I am good at what I do, and I am constantly improving. Success is a natural outcome of my hard work and dedication. I am fearless in the pursuit of my dreams. I believe in myself and my potential. Every day, I am getting closer to my goals. I am a magnet for success and opportunities. I am constantly surrounded by opportunities to excel and succeed. I am driven by passion, purpose, and determination. I am a visionary, always seeing the bigger picture. I am a leader, inspiring others with my actions and words. I am adaptable, embracing change as a pathway to success. I am focused, never allowing distractions to divert me from my goals. I am a lifelong learner, always seeking knowledge and wisdom. I am resilient, bouncing back from setbacks with even more determination. I am empowered by my successes and learn from my failures. I am a beacon of positivity, even in the face of challenges. I am constantly expanding my horizons and pushing my boundaries. I am a decision maker, trusting my intuition and judgment. I am influential, making a positive impact wherever I go. I am a goal setter, always aiming higher and reaching further. I am proactive, taking charge of my life and my destiny. I am a problem solver, always finding solutions and ways forward. I am self-assured, knowing my worth and value. I am unstoppable, always moving forward with momentum. I am a creator, turning my visions into reality. I am disciplined, committed to my goals and aspirations. I am a winner, celebrating every victory, big or small. I am an achiever, always meeting and exceeding expectations. I am persistent, never giving up on my dreams. I am optimistic, always seeing the silver lining. I am a trailblazer, forging my own path to success. I am self-reliant, depending on my skills and abilities. I am ambitious, always striving for greatness. I am a champion, excelling in all that I do. I am limitless, with potential that knows no bounds. I am a champion, excelling in all that I do. I am limitless, with potential that knows no bounds. I am ambitious, always striving for greatness.